The beginning of winter, or Lidong, signifies the arrival of winter. For the Northern Hemisphere, this is a period when the chill gradually approaches, but is not fully set in. Taking advantage of the residual heat left on the surface from summer and autumn, life quietly stores and gathers enough vitality and energy during this period. Thus, it becomes less significant even though winter scenery is not as graceful as that of other seasons. Having experienced the growth of spring, the flourishing of summer, and the harvest of autumn, life takes its time enjoying rest and possession throughout the winter, fully preparing for the cycle of the next year. The retreat and storage that time grants to the solar term are by no means a cessation. Instead, life grows gradually in the retreat and recovery. Regardless of whether the world is covered with ice and snow, the continuation of life will be extraordinary. Always full of hope and never yielding. Things retreat and grow in cycles, marking both an ending and a beginning. Different memories of past and present are stored within various living beings. Is the true vessel of life.